We are out here working with SCBS at the Castle Mountain Mine, which is located generally in the heart of the Mojave Desert. We know what we do is impactful, and one of the things that we do pride ourselves on is working with stakeholders and groups like SCBS to try and limit those impacts. So, hopefully this will be the first of many projects with both SCBS and other groups throughout the region. We're actually adding the second wildlife drinker out here at the Castle Mountain Mine. So we have one current drinker that we help maintain with SCBS's support. That drinker is located pretty close to the center of our operations. So as those operations become more active, the thinking was that we want to provide a source for the wildlife, somewhat removed from more of the active mining, and in the hope that no impacts to migration pathways for those species to get to their sources of water, especially in a year like this where we've had a really dry year throughout the Mojave, and we're really hopeful that this drinker will provide that support. It is not uncommon to see sheep. Day to day we may see one or two, but it's not uncommon to see a herd of 20 to 25. One of the benefits of the location of this second drinker is it is within our project area here at the Castle Mountain Mine. And we hope that it will afford some additional protections against predation or hunting, some of those other impacts to the sheep. Equinox and Castle Mountain Venture thinks that this could be a long-lasting relationship where hopefully we can do some events like this annually.